Hi YouTube team, my name is Sadia and my channel name is Street Psychology and this is my channel URL. I joined YouTube channel on 20 September 2022. Since I started YouTube, I have used my own original content and I did not copy anyone else's content. I have followed all YouTube rules and never violated these rules. Following all the rules, I have worked on my YouTube channel and I make video my own original content. And this is educational related channel. I learning psychology and I thought spreading a knowledge is a good thing. I used for this video I used CapCut application and I make this video on this type. In my video, I also write the text myself and write from this book. I text and I make this video. All the content is my own and my voice over. So I know my channel is not a reuse content. In all your instructions, I have a reuse content complaint. Please check my YouTube channel and all videos. Please remove this complaint and I want to please monetize my channel again. I have worked hard on my channel. Please monetize my channel again. I made a mistake, so please forgive me. I will be more careful from now on. Please YouTube again my channel monetize because I can very work hard.